Druski, Trevor Noah, Learn More's Janasi, Afroman, comedians and comedic performers are being sued for defamation by people who just can't take a joke. So first, let's explore what are the elements of a defamation. When someone publishes, either in writing or orally, a false statement that damages your reputation. And as we all know, truth is a defense to defamation, and you cannot defame someone with your opinion or your thoughts. It has to be actually a fact. So based on that, now you know the elements. Can these four comedians be actually sued for defamation? First, Erica Kirk threatened to sue Druski for a parody that he recently published.
Get on your feet, boy!
War is raging in Iran.
We're praying for all the soldiers.
And that is why we say our prayers, to protect all men in America, especially all white men in America.
It's gone viral. And for the first element, someone makes a false statement about you. Girl, he didn't mention you. He just put certain situations that kind of look like you, but he didn't mention you. So was the false statement really about you? Or was that just a hit dog hollers? Second, when Donald Trump threatened to sue Trevor Noah for damages his reputation for suggesting that he went to Epstein Island.
Trump has said that he will sue Grammys host Trevor Noah after he made a joke about his relationship with Jeffrey Epstein.
That is a Grammy that every artist wants, almost as much as Trump wants Greenland, which makes sense. I mean, because Epstein's island is gone, he needs a new one to hang out with Bill Clinton.
Trump claimed the joke was false and defamatory on Truth Social, saying he's never been to Epstein.
Reputation is another element of it. Can Donald Trump really claim that he doesn't have a reputation after he admitted to assaulting women? He paid 2 porn stars off to hide the facts from the American people, and he was actually convicted of it. He has several allegations of SA and assault from many women and children. So, reputation damaging. We have damages. Can Libohang Marake, the composer of the Lion King song, really sue comedian Leadmore Magasi for making a joke during the Godfrey podcast?
Do it.
Do it.
So
Ready?
you sing it like Nansingonya Magiti Baba.
You were way off.
Ingonya ma.
All right.
What does it mean? It means, look, there's a lion. Oh my God.
You're joking. That is not what that means. That is not what that means.
That's exactly what it means.
That's what it means. Look, there's a lion.
Oh my God. It's a lion.
There's a lion. Oh my God.
It's a lion.
Because what are his damages? He says going to damage for royalties. That's not even realistic. The people are going to be like, oh, since it doesn't mean anything that significant, maybe I won't play this song. No, that's not going to happen. That's not realistic. He's going to have a hard time proving that there were any damages. Finally, truth is a defense. So it was true that that sheriff was looking at their pound cake. How CNN's claim of the big lie was it was a big lie. You didn't win. You can't sue for defamation for something that's true. And it must be a fact, not opinion or parody. So parodies, critiques, commentary, all of those things are counts under non-defamation or great defenses against a claim of defamation, because these are comedians. They're going to poke fun of you. You're a public figure. You have a higher standard. So yeah, Druski's, that fact, it was an opinion, and he really didn't mention you, but it was suggested. And Trevor Noah, it was just a joke. No one thought it was necessarily true. It was a joke, and most people took it as a joke. And as to the Afroman, are you saying that your wife had relations with Afroman?
You're claiming that is the defamation statement, is that he said he had sex with your wife?
Yes.
Okay. And that's painted you in a false light?
It's caused tremendous pain in my life.
I'll get to that. We have to go through false light first. So does it paint you in a false light?
Yes, that my wife is cheating on me with Mr. Foreman.
But we all know that's not true, correct?
I don't know.
Is that what you're saying? Or is it really just a joke and it's just a funny song and you just need to get some humor? So for the Afroman case, he won. I firmly believe that the Lion King case is going to be tossed out. Donald Trump just made an empty threat because he's a lawfare king. And finally, as I said, celebrities, public figures, officials are held to a higher standard. You put yourself out there so you can expect critique and commentary, and therefore you're less likely to be rewarded. A jury, or a judge ruling in your favor, considering this fact. And in all of those cases, they were just making a joke. And most people took it as a joke. No one really thinks that the pound cake is funny. Anyway, I'm tired. JJ Lee, each one teach one. I hope that's helpful for you.
Randy Walters is the son of a bitch.
Trump has said that he will sue Grammys host Trevor Noah after he made a joke about his relationship with Jeffrey Epstein.
That is a Grammy that every artist wants, almost as much as Trump wants Greenland, which makes sense. I mean, because Epstein's island is gone, he needs a new one to hang out with Bill Clinton.
Do it.
Do it.
So
Ready?
you sing it like, Nansingonya Magiti Baba.
You were way off.
Ingonya Ma.
All right. Yeah, what does it mean?
It means, look, there's a lion. Oh my God.